To a brand new video of mine. Today, how to remove old silicone joints and how to replace them. As we see here, everyone knows this. Usually when you've built new after 5 years or so, when the screed has settled, these ugly cracks appear in the silicone. Today I want to show you how we remove the old silicone joint and how we make a new one. For this, we first only need a simple utility knife with which we cut out the old silicone residue. I'll try to demonstrate that right here. Simply from above and cut from below. And the silicone comes right out. I'll finish this up now, set the camera aside for a bit, and then we'll see each other again in a moment. So for this piece, I've now taken about 10 minutes, actually less than 10 minutes. I scraped out all the silicone with the utility knife. It's totally easy. And I'm absolutely no pro here, meaning I do this maybe once every 5 years, so not like the other videos here, where the handymen do this daily, professionally, and then show it. So I'm just a normal layman like you, and now I'll clean it up with the vacuum cleaner first. Now, after I've vacuumed, I'm going to apply silicone with the silicone gun. So now I've applied the silicone, as you can see, laid in a nice bead like that evenly. And now we can start with the smoothing. For this, I recommend you get a silicone smoothing set from the hardware store. It's definitely worth it. I used to always do it with my hands, but that's too complicated. Furthermore, you'll also need a spray bottle with water and a few drops of dish soap in there. So now I'm going to start spraying the areas. Plenty. Okay, and now we'll start with the smoothing. For this, we simply hold this smoother in the corner and pull. Some silicone remains on the scraper, but as you can see, I'm not quite finished yet. It hasn't quite settled yet. I'm going to go over it again with the scraper. Get yourself a roll of paper towels where you can then simply wipe off the silicone. So, see you in a bit. Now I'm finished with the scraping process. This is what it looks like. Now I'll spray it again. And simply run my finger over it once more. So, now, I do not want to praise myself, but for a complete beginner who only does this every 5 years, honestly, it is a perfect joint. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I would be very happy if you would subscribe to me. And then bye, see you in the next video.